Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Doing Playground here, and today we're back for another video, and today we're on Solana. And this is a NFT special, and we're selling NFTs, which is, if you don't know, it's like some type of drawing that you can buy for money. And so remember a month ago we taught you how to draw these penguins, and we actually coded a script to make a bunch of random penguins for us, so then we could sell them as NFTs. So look at our beautiful NFTs that are on sale, so you can visit and buy some. I like this one. I like So Cute Penguin number 16. He looks pretty cool with the yeah. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so this is on Solana blockchain. So yeah, we sell this on Solana blockchain. So if you're interested in this type of art and drawing in 2D art, you can personally buy one for yourself.
So we will be giving away some of these penguins if you would like, and if you'd like on our YouTube channel, we'd give away a few of them for free. We'd probably host a giveaway or something. So yeah, we will give you guys the details later if anyone is interested in.
So we use Node.js to code a script so we can make multiple of these penguins. Like it's all generated randomly. Like we have this man over here, yellow penguin with red eyes, red hat, and crab. So this is all randomly generated by the computer. So we even have like masks, and we have a bunch of things. Like this one, mask, sunglasses on a beach, and we have a lot of backup, like futuristic penguin, the scouter thing, so they're on the side. So yeah, there's a bunch of things. We have like the seal, and like a multicolored backdrop, which is cool, and we also drew two backdrops in our own, the beach paradise orange, the beach paradise blue, and the Arctic biome. Right there, Arctic biome number 270. So yeah, we have a bunch of backdrops that we drew for our NFT, and yeah, we have multiple backdrops. So you can go, if you're interested in our art, go to Solana, and we haven't uploaded as much penguins, but we have 16, I think. So if you're interested, you guys can come over here and buy one for yourself.
So all this image of the penguin you see here, all the image we are hand drawn, like the seal, like the fish, and then the crab, and so on. So all these images are hand drawn using Scratch, and then after that we stitch the image together using another program to create the NFT. So our project is not yet verified, so we're working on that to get verified on Solana soon.
Please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below what else Scratch projects or whatever special events you want, and see you guys next time.